What's happening, YouTube? Yes, as you guys can see, today we'll be making these beautiful, delicious prawn tails in garlic and lemon sauce. So if you guys want to find out how I made these, do stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first things first, you need 625 grams of your prawn tails that have soaked overnight in salt and 1 lemon, 1 whole red or white onion, 1/2 of lemon juice, garlic and chili, 2 tablespoons of flour of your choice, 1 full cream. Unfortunately, I didn't have the unsalted version, so you can use whatever you've got, and 1 green pepper, as well as a cube, about a 1/4 cup of butter. Now I'm just chopping my red onion and I'm going to cut these into 4 cubes and then dice everything into smaller cubes. And I'm also going to slice my green pepper into juliennes and then also cube them. Next up, I'm heating up my pan to medium-high heat and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm also going to be adding half of the butter that we have. This I find cooks so well together. And now I'm going to be adding my green pepper as well as my onions and pretty much cook these for the next 5 minutes. Now, the number 1 rule that I always say is stirring is your best friend. And today is no different. You better stir fry, girl. Or guy. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of my crushed garlic. You can choose to add a full clove if you like, but this just works better for me. And now I'm adding my beautiful pre-smoked prawn tails. Next up, I'm adding half of the butter cube that we've got left before I begin to season. To season, you need 1 teaspoon of fish spice, 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and you're gonna give that a really nice mix and allow this to cook for 2.5 minutes. Next up, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of paprika, Two minutes later, I'm adding my full cream, two tablespoons of my flour, and I'm adding it 1 tablespoon at a time pretty much. And this is just to ensure that everything cooks properly and that there are no lumps, because if you do add it too quickly, you might end up having too many lumps that you cannot get rid of. So please, I recommend that you guys do this in small batches at a time. You want to now continue to stir this for about another minute, and then you want to add half of the lemon juice that you've got, and you just want to squeeze it all around and make sure that it tastes very lemony. Last step is my favorite, adding crushed dried parsley, but you guys can choose to use fresh parsley. It works well either way. And that's it. You guys are done. And there you have it. That was my simple lemon garlic butter prawn tails that are so easy to make. These are 100% restaurant style made. I promise you, you will absolutely love this recipe, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, as well as subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.